Good news to all successful e-commerce vendors in LAZADA, Shopee, WooCommerce. No more tedious to manual recording all the invoices. Switch to SQL. With SQL e-commerce, you can download all invoices from LAZADA, Shopee in just few simple clicks. First, go to Maintain Cloud Account. New. Fill in description. Select LAZADA or Shopee. Link up your store with SQL system. If you manage multiple stores, you can also link all stores with SQL. Select the country. Enter your email address, password, and log in. Confirm the authorization. That's simple to link your store with SQL software. Once it links up, you will see the status linking success. Now, go to LAZADA or Shopee. Go to Account. Do the configuration on the customer, shipping fee, transaction fee. Next, go to Product. Fetch all the SKU from LAZADA or Shopee. SQL system will mapping all the item code automatically. You can still decide if you want to map to a different item code. Once it has done, click on Post. This simple configuration setup only needs to be done once. Let's look at the order. Select a date period. All status will be available in SQL, unpaid, to ship, shipped, delivered, completed, in cancel, canceled, to return, can be viewed in SQL in one glance. Let's look at completed now. If the invoices were posted into SQL system previous, a status posted will be shown. Now, just one simple click, all invoices can posting to SQL easily. Let's look at invoice. All invoice with transaction fee, shipping fee detail automatically download into SQL. Grow your business with SQL.